Joey, what are we doing today?
We're going to install the SIMRAD NSS evo3. Just get off.
No. Yes. Alright, so we're trying to install the SIMRAD, brand new SIMRAD evo16 NSS16. So we ran into the typical guy problems. Cables that were in the box are missing, so we suspect Joe's wife may have moved them and swear she didn't touch them. So there's no cables in the box. The old unit was a lot smaller, so now we have to cut a whole new starboard piece out, marine starboard. It's good lengthwise, but it doesn't fit vertically, won't mount the screws. So now we're trying to find a place that has starboard. I keep saying starboard. Starboard. And once we get that knocked out, clean up all the caulking here. This was Joe's job a while ago. Looks like crap. 65 for a piece of starboard. So we got the starboard, and gonna go put it on and hopefully get this SIMRAD unit mounted so we can get some fishing in. Cause you know they're already biting at Oregon Inlet. You saw that picture I sent you?
Yeah. Yeah, the video full of yellowfin and bluefin. What? What? Stop it, Haley. You care?
You don't care?
Go ahead. Be very. Hey.
You can trust me.
If you are going to be. Look. Don't be stupid.
I won't.
This is a privilege. Go, get her, please.
Haley, what are you doing, girl?
I let Eli and a couple other kids do a bonfire at the house the other day. Actually, I think George was there.
Very careful, son.
They took pallets and burned a whole stack of pallets. So what do we got left to do? We just gotta cut out the template, right?
Cut out the inside. Screw it in.
So your sonar, so you got 1 and 2, so that's what you're talking about.
One of those ports, yep.
And the NEMA 2000, what's that going to plug into?
That goes into a...
Can we hook it into your other radio for your AIS?
Mm-hmm, that's what I'm saying. So see that cable coming out of the radio?
Yeah.
Right there. It fits. It's close, but it fits.
You need to do any more?
The only thing I have to do is cut the center out, and I think I'm going to do that with the jigsaw, so that should work. I'll come over and vacuum that up, though, Bill.
I got that.
Please.
Nah, it'll take about a minute.
Okay. Okay. And I gotta grab the other pieces too. George, can you help Mr. Bill? Can you grab all the trash that I had in there and the extra pieces of this, please?
Okay.
You're so nice.
Yeah. Good to have neighbors like that. So I wonder what all these is like the Ethernet cables like.
Like the thing a lot of people do is video. Do the other thing that you're gonna like. This is right up your alley. Bluetooth, and you can view the sounder on your phone if you wanted to.
Really? Oh, you get the SIMRAD app?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know how it works. What? Just put it on top of the trash can right there. It's like $30 in parts.
Starboard. See if it fits.
Boom! Beautiful.
It's a little long on the width, but right there, look, on the other side. Where you're not hitting the screws.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, there's no screws.
There's no
there.
screws.
That's why you're not hitting them. So you guys ready to go fishing?
Yeah.
What about you, George?
Yeah. You're just staring. You're not as enthusiastic as you are.
No. I mean, all you do is sleep on the boat anyways.
Yeah, it's true.
And you catch the smallest fish.
Yeah. What? I catch the biggest. I'm fond of it.
You catch the biggest, buddy?
Yeah.
Out of the kids, you mean?
Yeah. My dad catches the biggest out of the
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Well, besides that one trip where
Besides that one
where
time.
me and you were catching grouper.
Grouper?
Yeah,
When
grouper.
did we get grouper?
We're fishing for grouper.
Flounder?
No. Oh wait,
When
that
were we
was.
fishing for? You never came for grouper.
You
didn't-
did?
No, you never went. In Florida, you did.
Not with me.
There you go. Nice red grouper. That's a good one, buddy. It's not a keeper, but it's a good size.
Yeah, that was. I caught grouper with the bad one.
Nah, you caught tilefish.
We caught a snowy grouper.
I caught a grouper. Yeah.
Yeah, but he caught
I wanna catch a
he was
grouper.
with us.
Yeah.
I want to catch a grouper here.
Are you gonna come offshore with us, Eli?
Yeah. Okay.
You're not gonna get sick, are you?
No. Wait. What are we fishing for?
Well, early in season, we're probably gonna go for tuna.
Sand tile?
Maybe. I don't know. We think we don't really have any tilefish spots off Oregon Inlet, though.
Will there be fish that I can catch?
You could probably catch a mahi. He could probably use the avets on a mahi. It's not yellowfin wiring, but we'll do.
All right. So is this? Yeah, we'll cover that up. All right. So fish finder, radar, and that should be all we need.
and just the AIS cable when you get to it.
Boom!
That's awesome.
Norfolk Canyon, where are you at?
So right there, that's where the wind towers are going right there. Well, right here, and that's where the...
There's all our spots. Canyon spots. Boom. Rolling. Alright, let's...
It's got all your tracks in there too.
yeah,
That's the
old-
cobia spots.
The old ones. Cobia. Cobia fishing last year. Just mark some of those.
We'll drop some of that cobia footage in right now.
So today we got that SIMRAD NSS evo3 installed. Got everything tested out, it's all working.
It was pretty easy installing though, right? I mean, all we did was...
We just, so we had to make a new dash panel because we were going from the NSE12 to the NSS16, and the height's a little shorter, so we had to make a whole new panel out of starboard.
Starboard? Starboard or starboard?
Starboard.
Starboard. Starboard.
Checking me up. So we made a starboard panel for the dash panel, put that in the center there. Pulled off the two side panels to redo some of the caulk because Dan wasn't a fan of my caulk job previously.
He wasn't good with the cock.
So
We got liberal with it.
got it installed. It's all set up, ready to go. We still got a few things to do with the boat to button it up for the spring season. We got to change the oil, gear oil, wax it.
So we're gonna repaint the deck, or we're gonna...
We might repaint the deck, see how much time we have, and then we want to try up in the forward fish box this year to get a little insulation in there. So we're going to have a spring project of glassing in some insulation board and making that into an insulated fish box.
Thanks for watching. There's gonna be more videos coming this this spring. Hopefully, we're gonna get out there soon. That's why. So this was the last project on Joe's boat we had to finish up until the boat's ready now. We're ready to roll. We just got to finish the bottom paint on it, put her back at the marina. But we'll run down to Oregon Inlet or shoot offshore. We're ready to go. Hopefully, Oregon Inlet, they're catching some yellowfin down there. At least one boat reported some fish. So I think we're gonna head out here soon. Hopefully, the next couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks at best.
Yep.
April, beginning of April, get out there. So. Hopefully we'll have a good tuna trip. We'll bring the boys out. Little Eli, the little kid, he's got to get his own little special made belt. I don't know. What do you think?
He's going to get a kid's harness.
Yeah, we tried. We'll show you a quick clip of that, of him trying to use an Avid 30 with just your typical harness. He wasn't, couldn't reel and pull up at the same time. So it's only about 16 pounds of drag. We might have to loosen the drag for him a little bit. But think about setting up some TLD 25s for him so he can maybe get a couple mahi. I don't know if he's going to fight a tuna, but
we'll see what we can do.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'll put him on a big hammerhead. That'd be fun. Other than that, keep watching. You got any ideas on how we should do some videos? We're starting off. We want to do this for long haul. Figure if we get a lot of subscribers, that's great. If we don't, then you know what? We got a lot of great videos with our kids and remember our fishing trip, showing to our grandkids. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Tune in next time.